Hello everyone! Welcome to RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024. Today we're embarking on an inspiring journey to explore the most amazing modern patio garden landscaping ideas for your outdoor space. This video will bring you creative and stylish suggestions to transform your garden into a little paradise right at home. From elegant furniture, lush greenery, to unique decorative accessories, everything you need to create a perfect garden space where you can relax and enjoy life. Join us as we explore and get inspired to start designing your dream garden. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our exciting upcoming videos. Let's get started! Outdoor seating area. Use modern outdoor furniture made from materials like natural wood or rust-resistant metal. Add cushions and pillows in bright colors to create focal points. Plants and greenery. Choose plants and greenery that are suitable for your local climate. Place larger trees in the corners of the yard and smaller potted plants around the seating area to create a lush green space. Pathways and patios. Design pathways using natural stone or pavers to connect different areas of the garden. Use grass, artificial turf, or low shrubs to soften the hard lines of the pathways. Decorative accessories. Add decorative accessories such as lanterns, LED string lights, or solar lights to create a cozy atmosphere in the evening. Use outdoor art pieces, like sculptures or uniquely shaped planters, to add character. Relaxation area. Create a relaxation area with lounge chairs, hammocks, or outdoor beds. Add a canopy or umbrella to provide protection from the sun and rain. Suggestions for designing your garden. Determine the style. Choose a style you love: modern, tropical, bohemian, or minimalist. Find inspiration from magazines, websites, or other garden design videos. Detailed planning. Draw a layout of your garden and identify functional areas: seating, dining, relaxation. Make a list of materials and plants you need to purchase. Start implementing. Begin with smaller areas first and gradually complete larger sections. Don't be afraid to experiment and make changes if necessary. Maintenance and care. Ensure regular watering and pruning to keep the garden lush and healthy. Check and maintain outdoor accessories and furniture to keep them fresh and durable.